So I am needing to rush to finish to get ready. We are hosting the first singles workout and mixer at Barry's, and then we're going to Hemingway's after, and it's a literal snowstorm. Like, this would happen to us. Like, I get it, it's February, this is normal, but like, come on. I am just finishing up my makeup, which I know it sounds crazy doing makeup for a workout event, but I'm hosting it. I literally like want to look a little bit presentable. I'm gonna sweat a bunch of it off and then I'll go redo it and then come back. But yeah, great snowstorm. Let's go take a look.
Okay, so come on in. Get ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Have 1, 2. 10 seconds away. Go. Looking good. Leg raises as soon as you're done, floor.